at your home. Students, welcome in our English online class. Here in our previous lesson, we have already started a poem, that is good books. And yesterday in our last lesson, we have done the words to learn and the rhyming words. And I have also explained you one rhyme scheme of one stanza. And so today we will continue the same chapter with the antonyms and answer the following questions. So first of all, let's move towards the antonyms. Antonyms means the opposite words. So here the first antonym from the poem is lonely. The meaning of lonely is alone, means synonym. But here we have read the antonym. So the antonym of lonely is befriended. B-E-B and then friend and then E-D. So the word will become befriended. B-E-F-R-I-E-N-D-E-D. Okay students? Now the next one, real. The things which are real. Now the antonym of real is imaginary. I-M-A-G-I-N-A-R-Y, imaginary. The fictions are not real, they are our imaginations. Okay students? Now still, S-T-I-L-L. The meaning of still is the thing which is not moving, and so the antonym is active and moving. Comfort, and the antonym of comfort is discontent. So these are the antonyms. Now the next one is answer the following questions. So the first question is, according to the poet, what do books do when you are busy? In the explanation part we have done in our previous lesson. So we learned that whenever we are busy, the books don't disturb us. They wait for us. So the answer is they will wait and not disturb you. Okay. Now the next question is, when do the books comfort you? So the answer is when you are unwell. Unwell means when you are sick. Now the next question is, why is books friendship thought to be real? Why? Because books never tell the lies, they always tell the truth. Okay, whenever we read the books, we get many informations about different topics. So books give us information about too many things. So books are real. We get many informations, we get many suggestions, we get many advices after reading the books. So books are helpful to us. That's why they are our best friends. So the answer is books friendship thought to be real because they never tell lies. The books always tell the truth, give information, suggest or advise the people whenever they need. Okay students? Now next topic which we will do now, that is reference to context. Context. Here I took the last stanza of the poem and first of all I will read the lines. Listen to it carefully. They will help you pass the time away. They will give you advice if you need. You have true friends for night and day if you have some good books to read. Now in these 4 lines the poet is talking about the good books, that how the good books helpful to us. Whenever we are lonely, whenever we don't have any friends to talk, that time good books help us to pass the time. They also help us when we want some advice, when we want some suggestions. That time after reading the books we can get many advices and suggestions. We can get easily the solutions of the problems after reading the good books. And we get many informations also from the books about different topics. You have true friends for night and day. And what is that true friend? Good books. So on the basis of these 4 lines of the stanza, we will do the questions. So the first question is, what do the word day refer to? This day. So here in this stanza we are talking about good books. So here the word day is good book. So the word day refer to the books. Okay students. Now next question is, how do the books helpful to us? On the basis of these two lines of the stanza, we have to write the answer of this question. So the answer is, the books help us to pass the time and give advice whenever we need. The books are our true friends. Now next is question number C. Write one pair of rhyming word. It means you have to find out the rhyming word from these lines of the stanza. So you can write day away also and need and read also. Here we have two pair of rhyming words. So you can write anyone. That is your choice. So here I have written need, read. Now the next question is, write the title of the poem and the name of the poet. It means the poem's name and the poet's name that you have to write here in the answer. So the poem good books, here also I have written. So from there also you can write. And you have to learn also. Okay, because in the exam I will ask this question also from each poem. Whatever the poems we will do now for the annual exam, that you have to learn. Okay students. So the poem is good books and the poet is at the guest. So that is the answer of this question. I hope you all have understood whatever we have discussed today. So that's all in